Chevrolet Malibu 2008 to 2012 2.4-liter engine. Vapor canister push solenoid is located on the right side of the engine. Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the connector. Disconnect the two tubes. Unscrew the bolt. Remove the solenoid from the holder and replace it with the new one.